This is Claude by Anthropic, and these guys are probably the closest competitor to ChatGPT other than Google. In fact, in terms of the ranking, Claude tends to do better than Google. It's closer to GPT-4 than Google is, at least right now. These things change all the time. So let's copy in our prompt and see how it does. Just going to copy it across here, paste in, and we're just going to let that generate. Here we go. It's pretty quick. And it does follow the instructions here in terms of giving us the different stages and the plot points, so that's good. While that's generating, let's just refamiliarize ourselves with what we got from ChatGPT. So we got the outline, and then we got the actual titles eventually, and then this is the actual text. So in the mystical land of Promptopia, Promptia came up with this interesting, futuristic kind of fantasy experience. And we'll see whether Anthropic does a good job here as well. Cool. So it is following instructions. That is really helpful. It does go from the table straight into the actual text, which is good. It's not following the instructions completely though, because it hasn't really broken out the different sections, has it? We go, so we have ordinary world, culture, adventure, refusal, call. It hasn't done that. We have just big block of text. And yeah, there's another problem that we've run into here. It seems to got a little bit lazy here. It says the full blog post continues in this style. So that's not exactly what we want. And as I said, this is the closest competitor to GPT-4. And sometimes you get better or worse results. They're improving it all the time. But you can see it gets top marks for following the instructions, but then 0 marks for effort because it stops at the end here. What Claude is really good for in general is this kind of creative writing. I think it is pretty good for that, and also summarizing, because you can stick a whole book into the prompt, or you can upload a PDF and it will summarize that for you. So that tends to be what I use it for.